Today I will be showing you how to remove background from Canva for free. For this you just have to log into your Canva. I am opening my Canva app. Once the app has been loaded, you have to select any design or any ratio you want to create. I am randomly selecting this size. Once the app has been loaded, you have to press this plus icon to add any elements. Go to elements section, or you can upload any of your image by going on to gallery option or upload section. Here I am going to search any image I want to remove the background of. I am randomly typing anything. You just have to type, or you have to upload any images you want to remove the background of. Now I will take any image here. Let's suppose I take this image, and now I want to remove its background. You have to go to the effects section here. After going to this section, you will see background remover option. Press this option and it will automatically remove the background from your picture. As you can see, pink background the picture had has been removed now, and that's how you can remove background in Canva.